Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about adjectives and their kinds. Let's get started. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun. It tells us more about a noun. In fact, it adds more to the meaning of a noun. Okay, so what is meant by the word adjective? The word adjective means added to. Okay, so let me give you few examples of adjectives. A beautiful flower. Here the word beautiful describes the word flower. So here the word beautiful is an adjective. An angry cat. The word angry describes the noun cat. So here the word angry is an adjective and the word cat is a noun. A lazy boy. An old building a sweet mango. Okay, let's move towards the kinds of adjectives. There are a few kinds of adjectives like adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, and demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and proper adjectives. Okay, so what is adjective of quality? Also called descriptive adjectives. Adjectives of quality tell us about the qualities of a noun. Adjective of quality tells us about the quality of a person or thing. Adjective of quality answer the question of what kind. Okay, let me give some examples of adjectives of quality. A good man, a bad boy. So here the word good, it is adjective of quality because it tells us about the quality of man. A good man, a wise girl, a cooled drink, an angry cat, a new car, and so on. These are all adjectives of quality. Okay, let's move towards adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tells us about the quantity of things. That tell us that how much of a thing is made. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. For example, little intelligence, high mountains, much patience, enough exercise, and so on. So these are all adjectives of quantity. Okay, so what is meant by adjectives of number? Adjectives of number are also called numeral adjectives. They tell us about the number of things. They tell us that how many persons or things are meant. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. Okay, adjectives of number are divided into two main categories: definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Examples of definite numeral adjectives include first, second, third, or one, two, three, etc. Okay, examples of indefinite numeral adjectives include few girls, all boys, no men, and most women. So here the words few, all, no, most, these are indefinite numeral adjectives. Okay, let's move towards the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives tells us which person or thing is made. Their examples include this, that, these, and those. Examples of demonstrative adjectives: this boy, that book, these girls, those men's. So here words like this and that and these and those are demonstrative adjectives because they demonstrate. This boy, that book, these girls, these men are those men. Okay, so what are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns or pronouns to ask questions. They include words like what, which, and whose. Okay, let's move towards the examples of interrogative adjectives. What kind of girl is she? Which book is yours? Whose bike is this? So here, these are interrogative adjectives. Okay, let's move towards the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used with nouns to show possession. Personal pronouns like my, our, your, her, his, and their are included among the possessive adjectives. Okay, let me give some examples of possessive adjectives. My book, her pen, your brother, their car. So here words like my, her, your, and their, they show possession. Okay, let's move towards the proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are found from the proper nouns. For example, America. So this proper noun can be converted into a proper adjective. American. India. It's a proper noun and it can be converted into a proper adjective. Indian. England. English. China. Chinese. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Take care. See you next time.